This swell is probably traveling from New Zealand at about 12 miles per hour, and right now the boat's sailing at about 5.5 miles per hour. So, not ideal. We want to chase waves in a sailboat. This is our wet laundry drying. And this is the crew right now, Mike. We got about 20 more hours of motoring before we arrive at the destination, and forerunners of the big swell coming in are already starting to show out here, and the froth to see what this wave is going to look like tomorrow morning is building. Although we're a little bit behind schedule, right now our ETA is putting us in at sunrise at the island tomorrow, so we should still arrive, fingers crossed, before the peak of the swell. Alright, it's Thursday morning. We're on day 2.5 of our crossing, and we got the sails up right now, and it's a beautiful sunrise, and we're coming up on our island, land out in the distance. Yo, ready to surf?
Whoa, just woke up. Oh wow, they got there, yeah.
Just some palm trees and sand. Feeling the boat surf down these big swells, and yeah, we're super curious to see what that same energy is doing at the wave this morning. All right, here we are. Just rolled into the pass, dinging out to the wave right now. Holy crap, we're freaking out there. It's on.
I've been going to the racetrack, spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into an 8-track, how about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. Oh no, you blame it on the recipe.
Fast, shallow waves. You gambled and lost.
Wow, it's freaking nuts out here. Literally looks like a wave pool.
To the racetrack, spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into an 8-track, how about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. Oh no.
Dude, that was insane. Are you
Just
kidding
cranking.
me? Bro, I'm a full believer in the booty. That one I fell in the tube. Freaking, look at that, it's like cut all the way through.
Instead of that.
Frick, dude, it felt like, oh my gosh, look at that wave. Are you freaking
Dude, I was
what the frick? It felt like I stuck my foot in like a blender. And nobody out, not a soul inside. Perfect wave. I'm so tired. We're gonna roll back to the boat, take a nap, and back out there for a sunset set.
I've been going to the racetrack, spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into an 8-track, how about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack.
Ew. Got the shot?
got the shot.
All right, after surfing a perfect wave all day, reef cuts are cleaned out.
Ramen time.
Bon appetit.